173 Forest, Avon Lake, Ohio. Awesome area. Right near, it's very close to the lake. Let's go inside here. It's got all vinyl windows. They just updated this property with the new LTV flooring in the living room. All new paint. There's a nice big living room. Nice big family room, dining room area right next to the kitchen. Then you also have a big bedroom on the first floor. So this is really nice. New LTV, paint, doors, everything's pretty much new. Here's your laundry room, complete with a washer and dryer, new. And here's your downstairs bathroom. It's a full bath. New flooring, toilet, everything. A new carpet here. Kitchen, it's a galley kitchen. Has your appliances there. Back door there, it has a fenced-in backyard, which is really nice. A little back patio. Let's go upstairs. Again, new carpet going upstairs. You have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom up here. New LTV flooring in the hallway area where all the lot of traffic. Also, the bedrooms have the LTV also. So there's that. And you have another bedroom in here. They're both good sized bedrooms too. So LTV, paint, very nice layouts. And then you have another full bath up here. So again, there's that. It has a nice little lighted mirror there. So again, this is a nice property, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 173 Forest. Thanks. Have a great day.